Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to another day of Indie Miss. I am so excited for today's video because we're going to be doing a Black Friday haul. I've been waiting for all the packages that I ordered to come in and they are finally here. I picked up a bunch of stuff from different indie brands and I'm so excited to dig in and try everything because I have not tried anything yet. So before we jump into all of that, I did want to let you know that the beginning of this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. If you're not familiar with Ana Luisa, they are an amazing jewelry company. I've worked with them multiple times now and I really love their jewelry. They are a brand that is really focused on sustainable jewelry and using recycled materials. They're carbon neutral, so I really love it. It's like a feel-good feeling, but they also have some of the most beautiful, unique, delicate pieces. I just feel so happy when I wear them. So right now I'm wearing their Raza necklace, which you can see is gold, and it just has a really beautiful little crescent moon and a star. And I just love this, and I feel like this would be a great layering piece as well, or you can obviously wear it alone like I am today. I'm also wearing their Astro Drop earrings, which are really cute because again, it has the little crescent moon and then it has the little jewels dropping down, but they're all like just very soft pastel shades. So I wanted to share with you this little necklace set, which is called the Sylvia Mini Horn necklace set. And I really loved this one because I feel like it's cute to just be able to layer them together. They go together perfectly, but also I really love this necklace because the little bullhorn reminds me of being a Taurus, which is my zodiac sign, and I'm proud of it. I love being a Taurus. So if you are interested in any of these necklaces or just anything on the Ana Luisa site in general, I feel like they could be beautiful as a gift for others or beautiful as a gift for yourself. And they are doing their biggest sale of the year for the holidays. For the US, they're having buy one, get one 40% off, and then a free travel case if you spend over $150. And then for international, they're doing the buy one, get one 40% off. And I believe their jewelry starts at $39 and up. But they're a company that I really love. I wear their necklaces and their earrings all the time. So thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and jump on into the haul. So the first order I want to share with y'all is from Ritual de Fille. I'm pretty sure is how I've been told it's pronounced. And I was so excited to try things from them. They were definitely on my list. And I think their sale was like 20% off or something, which wasn't like that amazing of a sale. It was like just a decent discount. Then they had free gifts with purchase of new products that haven't been launched yet. So I think one was at 50, one was at 100, and one was at 150. The one that was at 150 was like an eye soot, like a powder loose shadow, which I don't want, so I didn't feel any need to spend that much amount of money, but I went right to 100 because I got, I believe, one cream face product and then one lipstick for free. So I'll share those with you as we go through. Okay, so the first thing I have here is their Ethereal Veil Conceal and Cover, which I actually haven't heard anyone talk about. I was just on the website creeping and I saw this and I thought it would be really nice to try. So it's in the shade NYX, which is the lightest shade that they had. Definitely looks like it's a little bit more on the yellow side, but I was just hoping that this would be more full coverage and maybe replace my Anastasia concealer, because I have this concealer here, which I've been using for years now, and I love getting to replace mainstream favorites with indie holy grails. Like, that's definitely something I like to do. But this one in particular, I'm pretty sure isn't even sold anymore, and it's really old, but I keep using it. So I feel like I should definitely find a replacement for it, and I'm not sure if it is going to end up being this product, but I thought it would be nice to try. So I think it's like kind of like a concealer foundation mix, something like that. Let me just stick my finger in. Oh yeah, I mean, it looks like it has pretty good coverage. Ooh, the color looks pretty spot on actually. So I'm gonna definitely just be testing that out, seeing how I like it. I have no idea how to feel. Like I said, I haven't watched any reviews on that. That was definitely an impulse purchase. Okay, next I grabbed one of their Color Nectar Pigment Balms, which is in this really cool little case. I guess I have to do this. Oh wait, no, I have to take that off. Why am I such a mess? I can never open anything. So this is their little Color Nectar Pigment Balm in the shade Bee Sting. And I just really liked the color of this one. It just looked more of like a neutral rosy moment. Oh wow. Okay, it's definitely more on like the sheer glowy side. Ooh, that's super pretty. Okay, this is one of the free products. This is their Rare Light Cream Luminizer in the shade Halo, and this was, like I said, new. Let's see. So it looks like a rose gold. That looks so pretty. Ooh. Definitely really stunning. You can see the pink and the gold so much. Do you see that? I feel like depending on your skin tone, this would be a highlight or a blush. For me, I think it's still going to be a really beautiful blush topper, but it looks very, very pretty. So I'm glad I was able to get that for free. And then also, let's see, I have their Inner Glow Creme Pigment in the shade Desire. I feel like they have so many different cream products and they all have different names, so it'll be interesting kind of getting to know them a little bit better and seeing the differences. But ooh, that's pretty too. I'm like, what did I get? It's another like pretty neutral blushy shade. Ooh, okay. All right, that's definitely a little bit different for me, but it looks really pretty. Very, very true neutral. Next we have their Rare Light Creme Luminizer in the shade Moon Pillar. So this one looks like more of a soft iridescent baby pink, which I have a different one from them that I bought through Ulta, which is more of just like an icy white. So I was really curious to get that formula in a baby pink. I don't know if you can see there. Hopefully that'll be light enough for me as highlighter, but it does look really pretty. And then I have two lip products, which I decided to try out. So the first one here is called Lillium, and this was another one of the free products. Oh, that's interesting. It's like this, like a tiny little tube. Okay. So there's what it looks like. Let's see, I'm thinking it might be more sheer. Yeah, it looks like a little bit more on the sheer side, and it looks like a taupe. That's definitely very, very interesting. I don't think I have anything else quite like that, especially more in like just a soft sheer formula. And then I went ahead and picked up the shade Narcissus, and those are both their Enchanted lip sheers. This one's a little bit more of a neutral brown, but definitely really, really excited to try all those out and get to know the brand a little bit more. I feel like I've heard so many good raving reviews, so I went all out. They were definitely like the top of my list of brands I wanted to buy from for Black Friday. Okay, this next one, oh man, I'm so excited about. This was my first time trying this brand, and honestly, I couldn't think of a better time. So I decided to make an order from HipDot. I don't even know. I think I may have gotten like 10% off, that's it. But I didn't even order it from the HipDot website. I ordered it directly from Stella Rosa Wines. I don't even have one of their wines on hand with me right now, so I feel like a fake fan, but I love their wine so, so much. It's my absolute favorite. If you like sweet wines, they are just the best. They're bubbly, so they're just, I don't know. I've tried so many wines recently during these last few months. It still is my favorite ever, especially the Black Lux one is just the absolute best. So when I saw that they were coming out with little palettes with HipDot, I could not help myself. I was also slightly under the influence when I bought these, I'm not gonna lie. But this first one here is called the Tropical Shimmer Palette, and oh wow, it's all shimmers. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It just has a shimmery yellow, orange, purple, and green. Like I said, I wasn't fully thinking when I bought these. This one though looks stunning. This is the Taste the Magic. Look at how pretty that is. So if you guys want to see a separate video on these, let me know. And then, oh my gosh, this one's so pretty as well. This is the Rosé All Day palette, and just a really cute little soft pinky quad. So I'm really, really excited about these. I've never tried anything from HipDot before. I feel like I've heard good things. I feel like I also heard that someone who used to work with Pat McGrath started HipDot. Is that a rumor? Is that real? I'll have to look into it. But I'm so excited about these, and I love that whenever they showed up on Instagram, I got so many tags, and I had already bought them at that point, so I'm very excited about those. Okay, next I have my order from Melt Cosmetics, which looks like it's actually gonna be like a crazy order. I mean, I feel like this is a decent sized box, but I think you guys are gonna laugh because I had like 12 things in my cart from Melt, and then I was like, no, like I really don't need all this. I'm gonna be good. So I ended up getting one thing, one tiny thing, and they sent this giant box. Like, do they not have smaller boxes than this? That's it. That's all I got. So I ended up getting this liner in the shade Wallflower just because I really loved the color, and I want to say it was like, I don't know, maybe like 30 or 40% off and free shipping. So I decided to just go ahead and get this one. If it wasn't free shipping, I probably would have passed up on it. But ever since it released, I've been digging this color. Look at that. Is that not the prettiest green? I love it. Oh my goodness. It's just such a cool color. So next I have an order that has a slightly funny story to it. So I just wanted to show you the box because it's so pretty. It says, but first makeup. So I made an order to Winky Lux because they had, I want to say 30% off and free shipping. And there was just one thing I really wanted to try from them. So I ended up grabbing this Cheeky Rose blush in the shade Tea Time because I thought it was so beautiful. When I saw it was released, I was like, I can't justify it, but I think I got it for like $13 or something. And as I was waiting to receive this in the mail, I went to my P.O. box and I had gotten this exact same blush from a subscriber. Thank you again, Anna. It was so, so sweet of you. As you can see, it's in my background right here. So this one is the one she sent me. Look at how beautiful. Absolutely stunning. The prettiest blush I've ever owned in my life. So I decided to keep the one that she sent me because I just love gifts. Gifts are my love language, even though like I feel awkward when people get me things. I love getting things for other people, and I think it's really special. So I've decided to kind of keep it on my background there. I will try it soon, but I have an extra one now. So in this video, I want to go ahead and give it away to one of y'all. All you have to comment down below is what your favorite flower is. If you don't have a favorite flower, you can say that. But if you want to win this blush, I will send it to you. And it's pretty light, so I will do an international giveaway for this one. And same as all my other Indie Miss giveaways, I'll contact the winner December 26th. Please be subscribed to my channel. Next, I have an order that I made to Black Moon Cosmetics, and this will be my first time trying them. So I was definitely wanting to pick some stuff up from them on Black Friday because they had a sale, and they don't have sales very often, and they don't have any coupon codes that I could find. So I thought if I was going to try them, now felt like a good time. So I picked up 2 liquid lipsticks that I've literally been wanting for years now. Like I almost bought these last Black Friday and didn't. And then I grabbed one of their new lipsticks that they just released. Unfortunately, this one wasn't on sale, but I got it anyways. And oh my goodness, like the little coffin packaging kills me. So this is their Sinister Satin lipstick in the shade Misery. I love it. What a mood. So when you open it up, there's what it looks like. And the packaging on this is kind of lightweight. It's not super heavy, but it is really, really cool. And then there's what it looks like. So it's kind of just like a soft brown nude, like maybe like a tiny little bit of pinkiness. I guess I can swatch it. Let me just show you. Oh, wow. Oh, I really like that color. That's very pretty. It doesn't look super satin. It kind of just looks like a natural finish, but it seems to have really good pigmentation, so I'm excited to try that out. And then I got one of their highlighters, or excuse me, I got one of their Moonlighters, and this is in the shade Squid. Ugh. I just had a weird flashback. Whenever I was in high school, I thought I wanted to go into the medical field, so I was in this like separate program, and we dissected so many things. It's so nasty. But squid, I dissected squid, and I was just, I don't know, the image popped in my brain out of nowhere. But here is what it looks like, and it looks to be, I don't know, maybe an icy white. Let me see, I can't remember. Oh. I definitely thought that this was gonna be a cream highlight, and it is powder. So it just looks like a super bright icy white. I mean, it definitely looks like something I would use. Kind of gives me glazed donut from Ofra vibes. But I thought that was, for some reason, I thought all of their highlighters were creams. And it's a powder. You learn something new every day. I guess that's what I get for not looking at reviews. And then, like I said, I have the 2 liquid lipsticks here. So this first one here is called Cider. And it looks so, so cool. I don't even know why I got this. I know why. It's because I think it looks beautiful and the color is beautiful. Even the other one, the color is beautiful. It's just, I literally can't remember the last time I wore a liquid lipstick. Like, what's the point right now? Like, whenever I leave my house, I have a mask on. So what's the point of wearing a liquid lipstick? I don't know. I mean, I guess I could just wear it at home, but here is what that one looks like. It's such a cool shade. I feel like I always see Betty Jean from Beauty Bean wear this one, and every time she wears it, I'm like, oh, I need it. And then the other one that I have here is called Hazel, and this is a really beautiful green. This is even more of a, why did I get this? Where am I going? Nowhere. But I got it. So there's what it looks like, and I think they look really cool and grungy. So maybe wearing them will get me out of my neutral lip comfort zone a little bit, possibly. Probably not. So that is everything that I bought on Black Friday. I guess I didn't do that bad, that horrible. To be fair though, I was focused on other things for Black Friday. I'm like, let me get an air fryer. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.